Spaghetti olio e aglio. A side dish from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Using a sharp knife, peel and finely chop the 2 cloves of garlic. Step 2. Using a nylon chopping board and a sharp knife, coarsely chop the fresh parsley. Step 3. Heat the olive oil in a medium saucepan and add the garlic and a pinch of salt. Cook gently, stirring all the time, until golden. If the garlic becomes too brown, it will taste bitter and spoil the dish. Step 4. Meanwhile, cook the spaghetti in plenty of boiling salted water, according to the instruction on the package, until it's tender to the tooth. Drain well through a colander. Step 5. Toss with a warm, not sizzling, garlic and oil and add plenty of black pepper and the parsley. Serve immediately. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.